Today, let's draw Danny Dog, Peppa's loving friend. Step 1. Draw a flat circle for the head. And on the top left, draw 2 little triangles. Draw 2 small circles. Put black dots inside for the eyes. On the right side, draw a big black circle for the nose. Draw a happy smile and a circle for the cheek. Under the face, draw a round body. Draw 2 arms and 2 legs. Last step, draw a little tail on the back. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.